In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add business registration number in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your company's official registration so it appears consistently on your invoices, quotes, and other documents, helping you meet local compliance and give customers confidence in your business. Start on your Xero homepage after signing in. You should see your organization name at the top of the screen. Open that organization menu to reveal more options. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the place where you control key company preferences, including the details that appear on your documents. In the Settings area, select Organization Details. This page holds your legal and contact information. It's where you confirm your trading name, address, and other identifiers your customers and tax authorities may rely on. Take a moment to glance over what's already filled in so you know everything is accurate and consistent with your official records. Now scroll down the Organization Details page and look for the field labeled Business Registration Number. Depending on your region, this label can vary. It might say Company Registration Number or a local equivalent. Either way, it's the field intended for your legally registered company identifier. When you find it, enter the exact number from your official registration documents. Be sure to match the formatting used by your authority. Some jurisdictions prefer no spaces or punctuation, while others allow dashes or letters. If you're unsure, follow the format on your certificate to avoid rejections or confusion. Double check for typos before moving on. Accuracy matters here because this number can flow onto invoices, statements, and other customer-facing documents. A quick verification now can prevent questions later from customers, accountants, or regulators. Once you've added the number, continue scrolling down to the bottom of the page. You'll find the Save button there. Click Save to confirm your changes. After saving, look for a success message so you know the update was applied. From now on, your business registration number will be stored with your organization's details in Xero and can appear on documents generated from your account. If you use customized invoice templates, just make sure those templates are set to display the registration field. That's all there is to it. You navigated to Settings, opened Organization Details, located the business registration number field, entered your official identifier, and saved the change. Keeping this information up to date helps you stay compliant and present a professional, trustworthy image to your customers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you update your company records in Xero.